Hey, to improve sound quality of your CMF Buds, I've got 2 tips for you. Or maybe 3 actually. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to go into the settings icon and the Nothing X application, go into the firmware update and take a look. When I actually get the new firmware update, I will actually optimize the sound quality of DIRAC Optio. It's actually the sound equalizer mode. And if I actually turns this mode like this and then update firmware, I will actually get better sound quality. But also you can pick something from these presets, and while listening to your favorite music, just simply check which one actually fits your experience the best. Also, you can set it manually by using custom one. And the second method is actually to go for the ultra bass. If you like bass, you can actually boost bass by using this function. And the last option is just to go into the settings, then go into the connected devices, tap on this settings icon, and now be sure that you enable AAC audio codec. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.